Hello children, welcome to your 7th standard chemistry class. We have completed the chapter 6 physical and chemical changes. Did you find the answer for book exercise children? Okay. In this session we are going to discuss the answer for your book exercises. Okay, let us see. Okay children, write the answer for your book exercise in your book page number 65 and 66. First question, classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. Classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. A. Photosynthesis. B. Dissolving sugar in water. C. Burning of coal. D. Melting of wax. E. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. F. Digestion of food. You have to classify these changes into physical or chemical changes. Okay. Then see, two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. What are the methods used to prevent rusting of iron, children? You have already learned galvanization and painting. Galvanization and painting. Then D. Changes in which only dash properties of a substance change are called physical changes. Changes in which only dash properties. In physical changes, what properties are changed, children? Only the physical properties. What is the answer, children? Physical. Changes in which only physical properties of a substance change are called physical changes. Do you understand, children? Yes. Then E. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. What type of changes? In what type of change new substances are formed, children? Yes. In chemical changes only new substances are formed. So, what's the answer here, children? Chemical changes. So, the answer for E is chemical. Changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. Okay, children? We will discuss the remaining question answer in the next class. Okay? Write the answer in your textbook neatly. Next question, second one. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the corrected statement in your notebook. Here are some statements. Then say it's true or false. If the statement is false, write the corrected statement. Okay, children? ஓகே இந்த செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் பாருங்கம்மா, கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதில் ட்ரூவாக ஃபால்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லணும். இப்போ சப்போஸ் சில ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் ட்ரூனா அப்படியே ட்ரூ மட்டும் எழுதிக்கலாம். தென் ஃபால்ஸ்னா அது கரெக்டட் ஒன். அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டு ஃபால்ஸாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது கரெக்டான ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் என்னவோ அதை எழுதணும். ஓகே ஓகே. தென் ஏ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஏ. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. Is it true or false, children? It is a false statement. The answer is a false. Answer is false. What's the reason, children? Because cutting a log of wood is just a change in a shape takes place. So it is a physical change. There is no new product is formed in this cutting of wood. So it is a physical change. So A is a false statement. Then what's the corrected statement, children? Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. Okay, children? Okay. Next, B. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. The answer is false. The answer is false. Because in the formation of manure from leaves, new products are formed. So, it is a chemical change. So, the answer is false. Then, if the statement is false, what's the correct statement? Formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Okay, children? Okay. Next, C. Next statement, C. Iron pieces coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. Iron pieces coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. It's a true or false statement, children? It is a true statement. Do you remember, children, what's the name of this coating of zinc on iron? What's the name of that process? Yes, galvanization. Do you remember? Galvanization. Yes. So, the statement C is a true. Okay, children? Then statement D. Iron and rust are the same substances. Iron and rust are the same substances. It's a true or false statement, children? It's a false one. What's the reason? Because iron and rust are the different substances. The rust is iron oxide. Rust is iron oxide. வருமா அயனும் ரஸ்ட்டும் சேம் சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ்ஸான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அயன் தென் ரஸ்ட்னா என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேம்மா? துரு, அப்படி தானே? துரு. அயன் அண்ட் ரஸ்ட் ஆர் தி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ். அயன் வந்து ஒரு சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ். தென் அது அட்மாஸ்பியரில் இருக்கிற ஏர் அண்ட் வாட்டர் கூட ரியாக்ட் பண்ணி தான் என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா ரஸ்ட். ஒரு லேயர், அந்த அயன் மேலே ஒரு லேயர் ரஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. ஸோ ரஸ்ட் இஸ் அயன் ஆக்சைடு. அயன் அண்ட் ரஸ்ட் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ். ரஸ்ட் இஸ் அயன் ஆக்சைடு. So D is a false statement. Then write the corrected statement. Okay, children? Okay. Next, E. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. Understand the statement, children. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. Don't confuse. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. So it is a true statement. What's the meaning of that statement, children? Condensation of steam is not a chemical change means it's a physical change. So it is a true statement. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. It's a true statement. Okay, children? Third question. Filling the blanks in the following statements. Filling the blanks in the following statements. A. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to formation of dash. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns due to formation of what, children? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. CaCO3. CaCO3. Next, B. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaHCO3. Okay, children? What's the first process, children? Sir, Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? In this process, the plant prepare its own food, isn't it, children? By using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Then, what's the product? It gives oxygen and their food, isn't it, children? Yes. Then, what's the process? This process is a physical change or chemical change? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a chemical change. Okay, children? Okay. Next, B. Dissolving sugar in water. Dissolving sugar in water. It's a physical change. Physical change. Then, C. Burning of coal. Burning of coal. Burning of coal is a chemical change. It's a chemical change. Burning of coal is a chemical change. Then, melting of wax. Melting of wax. It's a physical change. Then, E. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil is a physical change. Then F. Digestion of food. Digestion of food. What's the change, children? What type of change takes place in digestion of food? Physical or chemical change? It's also a chemical change. Do you understand, children? Okay. Write the answer in your textbook.